to the right side.
暂时处理贴片，按提示贴在下丘部臀部的皮肤上。事物触碰患者，正在分析心率。
Your eyes, yes? He will lose consciousness, so no consciousness, no breathing or abnormal breathing, everything rather than normal breathing. Also you start CPR and no pulse. No, actually in previous, if you're without phone, what would you do? Would you start CPR or would you run somewhere to search for at least anyone who can help you or at least call somewhere? You will go. Because what is the sense of CPR? CPR does not restart the heart. Yes, it just buys the time before actual restart by AED, automatic external defibrillator. CPR just maintains the flow around the body. So we just bind the time to the person. So if you will start CPR alone in this area and no one is coming, so there's a big chance person will die. They won't help him. So you need first to run to the closest place to inform someone, to call someone and come back to the person and start CPR because you know someone is coming to help him.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Next, again, so now we must do 2 breaths.
Are you okay?
Where was the safety?
Safety. Active rain.
Maybe we're going to attack you. You must verify safety.
He is already lying, so. Are you okay? Are you okay?
No, like this.
Down, you must put
Head, tilt, chin, lift. Head, tilt.
Like this?
Kneel near patient, kneel. Yes, kneel near patient. Yes. Now one hand should be on the pocket. Yes. Another one fingertips here. And feel the downward. And open airways.
Yes.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Listen, you can
Listen
push
and
here
see the chest recoil, whether it elevates or
no
not.
more than 10 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll open.
So you verified he has cardiac arrest, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to help him.
So, call ambulance. And we will start the pressing.
Saving first.
No, sir.
Okay. Start. 1, 2.
More
It's
than-
too deep. About 5-6 centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
अरे
Where is this time? 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
बस
Continue. Keep rolled, okay, but you continue your
3,
work.
4, 5, 6,
Open, turn
7,
on.
8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No,
No, he is attaching. You continue your work. 32. Do not stop. It's too hard. Move more to the right side.
暂时处理贴片，按提示贴在下丘部臀部的皮肤上。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
事物触碰患者，正在分析心率。
It's
too, your breath is very low.
Yes, it's like 23 seconds.
Just one blow, 1 second blow. 离开病人，按闪烁按钮进行电击。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay, now it's shock advice. See there, defibrillator. You see? Written, defibrillator. So stay clear. And meanwhile, you can change the roles. You can
Hey, don't touch.
Don't
touch until it is real problem.
Yes, you wait. It's prolonged shock here, so we can understand. When it starts beeping, it says to you resume CPR. Yes. Kneel. This is not good position for the life.
You will lay down
On your knees.
and it will be coarse.
No, you must be straight. Yes, straight like this. Okay, the position of hands correct. And
Two braces.
okay. We said if you are trained or you refuse to do, you continue CPR. Yes? Okay. And we don't hear you counting.
20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Why one breath?
Two braces. Close nose. Close, not nasal cavities and two. 1, 2.
Okay, emergency services arrive. We're taking the patient. Okay, guys.
He passes away. 10 minutes ago.